So I bought a lathe. It's a tidy machine, nice and sturdy, and it's got probably more than the capability I need. Unfortunately, this machine set me back a few clams, and above that P3 project of mine is going slowly to begin with, and if you do watch the channel quite regularly, you know, you will notice that I'm just re-uploading 30 videos, which I need transferring over, but that's pretty much my fill-in material at the moment. I'd like to make some videos, but I'm struggling between short funds, getting things sorted on the 30. I just haven't worked on it as much as I should. What was the other one? I've ruined my camera. I like to buy a new camera, but that's on the waiting list for the moment, because I spent a lot of money on this. And so I suppose just a disclosure, the videos are still probably going to be slow for a while until I get a new camera, at least, because if I get a new camera now, I'll get it tidier than what I've had, and I'll be able to film to a bit of a higher quality and all that, you know, get something with a larger aperture so I can film a bit brighter in these dark sheds of mine. I mean, hopefully I'll be able to show setting this up and a bit of using the lathe. And you know, I do watch machinist channels, and you know, I do like to learn about this sort of thing. So I'm looking forward to having a go at it. Hopefully it'll be a good investment. Good investment for farming. It should do well.